How to read your report. Soil life test. Welcome! In this video, we will discuss all of the data you receive in your soil life test report and why each number is important to make key management decisions. Here is your report. Along the header of your report, you will find the report type, your personal details, the date the report was sent to you, the sample number, and your unique ID. This is also where your plant type is listed, the season of the year in which your sample was taken, and the date when the sample was received by our lab. This is important to include as your sample data is processed through our database compared side by side with the seasonality of over 30,000 samples from the last 20 years. When looking at your report, down the middle section of the page, you will find the ideal ranges marked. These ideal ranges are based on the plant type that was indicated on your order form, as well as the season in which the samples were taken. Part 2. Key data measurements. In this section, along the left side of your report, you will find the assay names labeled for the following items: moisture percentage, pH, electrical conductivity, reported in microsiemens per centimeter, total fungi, total bacteria, both measured in micrograms per gram, the total fungi to total bacteria ratio, biological carbon, biological nitrogen, and your biological carbon to biological nitrogen ratio. The result column is where your specific measurements are found. When a number is in red, this means your sample's results fell outside of the ideal range based on all of the other information we have, both provided by you and acquired by the lab. If appropriate, the lab may leave commentary based on what they see in your sample. This commentary can be found along the right side of the page. Part 3. Soil Life Test Add-ons. When you order the soil life test for your sample, there are a few add-ons that we have made available: aerobic fungi and bacteria, protozoa, and nematodes. The aerobic fungi and bacteria reading gives us an idea of how well your soils are utilizing and metabolizing oxygen, as well as the aerobic fungi to aerobic bacteria ratio. This aerobic measurement is useful alongside the total fungi and bacteria measurement, as it shows us how active your biology is compared to all of the biology that exists in your soil, dead, dormant, or otherwise. The protozoa add-on includes readings for flagellates, amoeba, and ciliates. These numbers are reported in most probable number per gram and are important because they help us indicate how well your soils are functioning biologically. The nematode add-on is provided as a separate, single-page report. This test allows us to identify any nematodes present in your sample and identify them down to the group and genus. This enables us to determine the type of nematode and whether or not they are helpful or harmful to your plants. The amounts of each type of nematode will be reported in number per gram. The types of nematodes listed will include and/or vary between bacterial feeders, fungal feeders, fungal root feeders, also known as switchers, root feeders, and predatory nematodes. While these add-ons may not necessarily change your recommendations for products, practices, or soil amendments, they can provide an incredible benefit of detailed and highly specific data for your sample. They will provide you with a greater understanding and scope of understanding of what is happening in your soils. Part 4. Application Recommendations. In this section, you will find the soil amendments, products, and composts that we recommend applying to your soils to improve them. You will also find a rate of application recommended under the quantity and area columns to the right side of the page. This section of recommended products can be written specific to your circumstances and tailored to suit your goals and resources. Review your own report and bring your specific questions to the 15-minute report review appointment. Learn more about how to test your samples here and and contact us at info@earthfort.com if you have any further questions. If you've already completed your testing and would like to schedule your complimentary 15-minute report review, please give us a call today at 541-257-2612. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.